is the first time I'm doing the unboxing video, so if you see any kind of mistakes, I'm sorry. This is also the first time I'm buying something from Apple India online store. I got the product in a day, even though the expected date was 2 days later from the order date. Now that's nice, but my friend saying when he tried to book, it is saying more than a week. I don't know why, but maybe because I live in the same city it is shipping from. Anyway, I got this ugly plastic bag and inside it comes the cardboard box, which is pretty cool when you actually open it. It is designed to give the product boxes cushioning without those bubble wraps. But this year doing the iPhone 11 unboxing making sense because it is not also gonna come with charging adapter from now on, part of Apple's vision of being carbon free. Which is fine, but they should have given us the option to include it in the asking price, or if I don't want it, they should have provided me few bucks worth of discount. But we know Apple, right? Actually, I have to say, I really like the thin packaging. As you can see, it's thinner than the AirPods package. Now, I had to buy the AirPods separately because I couldn't grab the free offer that ran for a few hours on that day. If you got it, lucky you. Now let's peel off the plastic. Then if I open the box, I can see my iPhone 11 in green. I have to say one thing, the visual representation of the iPhone on the box is having exact representation of the real phone's color. I love this color. I'm a green guy, even though it is a greenish teal color, but it's still green. Now put that aside and let's check out the USB-C to Lightning cable. Damn, Apple hasn't provided the braided USB-C to Lightning cable. I have several chargers that aren't USB-C, so I bought this slightly hard to find USB-C female to USB-A adapter. It works fine with fast chargers too. Now in the box you will also find some cutest documentation that I have ever seen with only one Apple sticker, not two. That's not good. But these documentations are in the shape of app icons on iOS. That's called details. Now let's peel off the plastic from the phone. Let's turn it on. So in the meantime, let's check out the AirPods. It's simple, just the documentation and then straight into the AirPods in a nice wrap. And underneath that, there is a USB-A to Lightning cable. Now, if you want a USB-A to Lightning cable rather than a USB-C to Lightning cable, buy a pair of AirPods. Now, I have a green AirPods look-alike earbuds that's 7 times cheaper and 7 times bad, just wanted to say. Anyway, let me take a few moments to actually set up my iPhone, just placing it right beside my iPad. Ecosystem thing. It took a bit of time because a lot of apps had to install and iOS 14 update had to install and few more adjustments, Face ID setup and all. And then it's finally done. Let's take a look at the phone a little bit. The color may not come properly in the camera, but it's pretty vibrant and bright. I was actually thinking of buying the iPhone 12 mini, but the battery life and the extra cost for 5G didn't make any sense. So I went for the iPhone 11. That is it. A lot more videos coming on the iPhone 11. Bye and take care.